Oh, Drakey! You're kind of scared, huh? Good morning. Happy Saturday. Today we're going to Knott's Berry Farm. So I am still getting ready. It is almost 7 o'clock in the morning. So we're here at Knott's Berry Farm. Are you ready, Blaze? You ready? Yeah. Are you ready, Drake? Millie and Lovey are right here. Daddy in his fanny pack. He even can hold his jacket back there.
Oh, I had one of those before Disneyland. I hurt my teeth.
There goes the berry market. Fresh fudge.
The smell reminds me of Disneyland.
Wow. That looks good.
The smell of thrill rides. Well, Disneyland actually doesn't have that many thrill rides as
Drake, come here. Drake wants to just stay with his dad. Okay, here go the rest of the girls.
Yeah, once we get in,
Papa. I got my iced coffee. I need to eat something. I got the boys some apple juice, but this comes in handy because this is full of ice and a little water. So I'm just gonna I have some bottles of water in there and I'm just gonna keep adding it to this. Drakey! You're kind of scared, huh? Wow!
Good
Good job, Drake.
That's because you're a super genius.
Ooh, good job, Drake. Here we go on the merry-go-round again. This time it's Daddy and Drake. We found the corn dogs, guys. We found the corn dogs. So now we're having dinner. There's pizza, sandwiches, chips, water. Yeah, this is all of the youth. So these came in handy. I think these were 16 or 18 and you get free refills. So that's pretty good. Now we're just waiting here for Papa. He's grabbing the boys a light-up toy. Thank you, Papa! Oh my goodness. Look what Papa got Millie. A little piggy. Sorry for the angle. I'm holding a stuffed animal, but today was pretty productive. See you guys in the next one. Bye!